Hi guys, Sarah here with Doing Daisies. Today we are going to be painting a candle and decorating it to look like a robin's egg, kind of giving it a springy feel. And so what I have here is just an LED candle I picked up at the Dollar Tree and some paint. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take some sandpaper and rough up the plastic. So I'm just going to go around in circles, and I'm going to do this all the way around the candle, even on the top here. And this will help the paint to adhere, because these candles are very smooth. They have a waxy feel to them when you pick them up. Okay, there we go. Now I have that roughed up pretty nicely. Just want to make sure that you have as much of that waxy substance off of there as you can. All right, and now what I'm going to do is just start painting the candle with the base coat of blue here. Right, now for the next step, I have my candle in a box because this is going to get a little bit messy, and we're going to create a splatter effect using some brown paint and an old toothbrush. So I'm just going to dip my brush into the paint, and then just going to rub my finger along to splatter. Okay, and as you can see, it just adds a fine mist effect to the candle, and I'm going to do that all the way around the candle and let it dry, which actually won't take terribly long because the splatters are pretty fine. All right, now that the brown paint has dried, we're going to go ahead and start decorating. Okay, and there you have it, our spring robin's egg decorated candle. I think it's going to look just adorable sitting in a corner with a little spring arrangement, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back soon with some other craft projects. Bye-bye.